To prepare the rasam, splatter some mustard seeds in coconut oil and then add julienne cuts of ginger, a small piece of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic and 1 green chilli. Gently saute it for a while. Add julienne cuts of 1 medium onion, which is straight cut, and then add 1 large tomato chopped. To add the seasonings, add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 garam masala, and a pinch of asafoetida. Merge this well. In addition, add 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek powder. Add the soaked tamarind water and then blend this well with the mixture. In addition, add some hot boiling water and season it with salt as per your taste. Add enough hot boiling water so that it serves the right consistency of the rasam. Add a pinch of sugar or jaggery to balance the flavor and add a small teaspoon of what we call as chook or dry ginger. Finally, garnish it with some coriander leaves. So there we have our absolutely delicious naturally homemade rasam without any rasam powder. Try it out at home and let me know your feedback through the comments. It's a very good remedy, especially for the flu season. It's a natural remedy. It goes very well along with rice and it has all kinds of seasonings that add a very good flavor. Thank you for watching the video. To receive more updates on new recipes, click the subscribe button and you shall receive updates about the new recipes posted. Thank you for watching once again, and try out the recipe.